Hello everyone. So in this particular course, you will learn how can you create deepfake AI video like this. Also you will learn how can you clone yourself, and also you can clone your own voice. How can you clone yourself? How can you create amazing AI videos using your own character?
Tired of feeling stretched thin? Learn to clone yourself digitally in this game-changing course. Double your productivity, crush your goals, and unlock endless possibilities.
And you can convert it to the any language which actually you don't know. After completing this course, you can easily create amazing AI videos which will help you to grow your social media account or your business. Deepfake AI is a latest technology that you should not miss. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now.